Hello, this is Jenny, and today we're going to go to Tubod Flowing Water Resort, and it will be my first time going there. And so I hope you will enjoy watching the video and have fun with us. And now we are heading to Tubod Flowing Water Resort, and we are so excited. So yeah, so see you later when we get there. Now here all in
Nice.
Tubod. Saan ano ni? Tubod Flowing Water Resort, you know? Sakto? Yes. As you can see, there's a monkey in here. What can you say? Great. Okay, so let's see what it looks like inside. Okay, it's a video, yo.
A video day.
Yes. Hi. Sige. Hello. Hi. Sinilas na ako. Sinilas, dilin. Yes. They're going to fly.
Awa sila, hindi mo ligo. Nyara, good.
Ligo rin. This is what Tubod Flowing Water Resort looks like inside. So I hope you like it. Come here na.
Genie. Ano kay? Likugan.
Now we're going home na. It's already, I think, almost 6 p.m.
Magpa-picture ka, babaw? Night tower?
Video na.
Oh, video. Sa mong masulti, te.
Soon, ako na po. It's very nice place.
Oh, how about you? What can you say about the place?
It's a very nice place. You know what? I want to live here. No, together with your.
Together with your...
What? What? It's amazing.
Oh, that's nice.
Amazing.